5 surprising facts about turmeric. Turmeric, curcuma longa, is a plant in the ginger family that is native to South Asia. Fact number 1: curcumin gives turmeric its anti-inflammatory properties. The active substance in turmeric is called curcumin. Best of all, curcumin reduces inflammation naturally, so there are no toxic side effects, such as ulcer formation. Fact number 2: turmeric supports liver detoxification. Fortunately, turmeric aids in detoxifying your body. Studies show that curcumin aids the liver as it removes toxins to purify your body. Fact number 3: turmeric can reduce depression symptoms. Studies have even shown that turmeric reduces depression symptoms. A study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research reported that in one trial, turmeric alleviated depression symptoms as well as Prozac. Another plus in the study was that all of the patients tolerated turmeric well, with no serious side effects. Fact number 4: turmeric can help with blood sugar levels. In one randomized, placebo-controlled study, pre-diabetics, people with high blood sugar, were given either a curcumin extract or a placebo for 9 months. In addition, other studies have shown that curcumin is extremely effective at activating the enzyme AMPK. This is significant because scientists believe that learning how to activate the AMPK enzyme could mean discovering effective ways to reduce insulin resistance and even reverse diabetes. Fact number 5: turmeric can clean out your arteries. In addition, turmeric has been found to reduce the chance of heart failure and may even prevent abnormal heart rhythms. These are just a few of the dozens of amazing health benefits turmeric has been proven to offer. There are plenty of ways to use turmeric, so get creative. You can also purchase a turmeric supplement if you want a more potent dose of curcumin. Call my office to find out more about the high-quality turmeric supplements we recommend and offer to our clients. Feel free to get in touch with me with any questions you may have about taking a turmeric supplement. Clearly, turmeric has been proven to alleviate a number of medical issues naturally, with no harmful side effects. Let's let plants, natural foods be our medicine whenever possible.